And remember, when you focus on any object, anything in that plane will be in focus. All right, hello everyone. Welcome back. Today I have one trick for you guys. How to film yourself in manual focus, because not every camera does the facial tracking, and maybe sometimes you want to get a slightly blurry background like I do here, and even though I'm shooting on a wide lens like a 35, once you drop the f-stop very low to maybe 1.8, 1.4, you can get the nice smooth background. Now, to do that, you need something like, you can order this cheap styrofoam. I don't know if it's like $10 or something. I don't know. Could be less. All you need is a styrofoam head, right? Now, if you get one that looks like this, and you look like me, get some paint and paint it so that the skin color looks like your skin color. Because as you can see, it's the same light source. I'm even closer to the light source, but his face is blown out. And I even don't have enough light on my face quite yet. So make sure you have your mannequin close to your skin color. That doesn't really count when it comes to focusing, but it just helps reduce the whole process. Now, if you are going to be standing, set up your mannequin so that you are the same height with your mannequin. Don't use your hair, because your hair gets high and low and whatnot. Stand right next to the mannequin, and if your nose touches the nose of the mannequin, you guys are the same height. So now you just turn his head back, and then you focus on his eyes. And remember, when you focus on any object, anything in that plane will be in focus. So if you focus on his eye, and let's say you are focusing at f2.8, which from just my estimation will be about 6 to 8 inches of sharpness. So about this much, right? Now, anything within this thickness, straight parallel to the sensor of your camera, will be in focus. So if this guy was in focus and I stand right next to him ear to ear, I know I'll be in focus. And then when I'm talking, I'll try hard not to step forward or step too far back. So that's one thing you have to know. If you are shooting manual, there's only so much movement you can do. But it's possible. You already have a DSLR, you already have a good camera, a good lens. You can manage it, even if you have to take the floor so you don't have to walk past certain places. That's it. That's the only trick I have for you guys. And this guy can actually help you bring the light, adjust the lights very well for your face if you guys are the same complexion. Obviously, we're not the same complexion. So I only use him to help me focus when I'm not using when I'm using one of my older DSLRs and stuff, and I don't have facial tracking. Then I use him, and then I just take him away, and then I stand right in his place, and I'm good to go. Thank you for watching, and keep shooting. Wait. Subscribe. Bye.